Want to know how to make a couple bucks while still in your jammies, like me? Well, I'll show you today how to sell your first item on Mercari. It's not hard, and we all have too much stuff that we need to declutter. Alright, so step one is to download the Mercari app and create an account. And they do have a refer a friend program, and I'll put my link below in the description. If you use my link, you get $10 off your first purchase off Mercari, and I think I get $2 off a purchase on Mercari. So when you're getting ready to sell, you're looking through all your stuff, you're wanting to declutter, you want to make a little cash. For your first sale, I recommend that you find something that you want to get rid of that is in excellent condition. You don't want to try to sell something that's like beat up and scuffed up. You want to have good luck on your first time. So find something that's in excellent condition. Find something that is name brand. Nike, Under Armour, Tupperware, Kate Spade, Vera Bradley, whatever you've got excess of, find something really good with a name brand. Because if it's not a popular name brand, it's going to be harder to sell because people won't be searching for it. Once you get some experience under your belt, and once you've developed a closet, which means you have a bunch of stuff for sale, people will go through your closet and they'll find your other little items that maybe aren't name brand or aren't as nice. But to start off with, pick something that's really nice and is name brand. So you've downloaded the app, you've picked out what you're going to sell, very first thing. The next thing you need to do is take pictures. Now, you can take pictures in the Mercari app, but I like to just take all my pictures on my phone. That way they're stored on my phone. I can edit them, I can play with them. If I decide to list it somewhere else, like Poshmark or eBay, I've got the pictures. You want your pictures to be as bright and as detailed as possible. And with Mercari, they need to be squares. So on your phone, you'll need to adjust that option to where you're getting square pictures. I like to take my pictures either outside or out here in my laundry room because my washing machine is white, the lighting is decent, and it makes for good pictures. You don't want a lot of stuff going on in the background. Like, I don't want to take my pictures with my closet behind me because there's just too much stuff back there. So you want to pick something that's very plain, very white, so that your item stands out, the background is not contrasting, and you want to be on the square setting on your phone. So I'm going to list these Tupperware bowls, and I'm going to put my phone on screen record so you see how to do it. Okay, here we go. All right, so I've got my camera open, and remember that we want to take our pictures with squares. So I'm going to slide it over to square. And I want to take a couple of different pictures so the potential buyer can really see what they're getting. So I'm going to take one from kind of low. And then I'm going to take one with them all spaced out. Look at the pretty colors. And then, just because you can put up to 8 photos. I'll do some like this. And then I'll probably call that good. I'll flip it over and get a picture of the bottom. And then for some reason, that's the only one that has the measurements on it. I don't know why Tupperware did that to me. So I'm getting all my photos. You don't have to be fancy. People aren't expecting perfection. I know some people's pictures are perfect, but I've had really good luck with just what I'm doing right here. So there are my pictures. Now I'm going to open up Mercari. And it's really one of the simplest apps ever for selling things. And then that's why I recommend it when people ask. So you've already created an account. You've logged in. I have a notification. I got to remember to check that in a minute. I'm going to click sell. And here's where I was saying you can take the pictures in the app, but I've already taken my pictures. So I'm just going to select them. Pick the one you want to be first. Oop, hit the wrong button. Or hit the button twice. All right, title. These are Tupperware. I'm not sure. I don't remember if they're serving or mixing bowls, so I'm going to list it as both. Both. So I typed my title. The category, you can scroll across the top. See, you've got all your different categories of things you can sell. This is home. And this could be kitchen and dining or storage. I'm going with kitchen and dining. We scroll through here. Storage and organization. And they suggest brands to you. You do have to put a brand in. I'm going to obviously click Tupperware. Now, you list the condition. These are not new. They pretty much are like new. I didn't use them very often, but they're not unused. So I'm going to click Good. And then down here, I'll get very descriptive. If you know how much the item originally retailed for, it's a good idea to go ahead and put that in there. It helps the customer see what a deal they're getting. So these retailed new for, I got on the Tupperware website, about $35 is what you can get a set for. I do have other Tupperware listed, so I'm going to put in there that I will bundle. I don't know why that capitalized. All right. The reason it asks you where it ships from, and this is required, is because it's going to figure shipping. Mercari will let you print shipping labels directly from their site, and in my experience, I do better when I just use their shipment labels. Other YouTubers have advised to print your own, that you'll do better, but it seems to bite me in the butt every time I try to figure my own shipping. So I go with Mercari suggestions. Now on Mercari, you can offer free shipping or have the buyer pay it. I like to go with free shipping because I think it makes people more likely to buy it. And it's thinking that these weigh between 3 and 10 pounds. I don't think they do. So I'm going to go into edit. And I'm going to move it down to 1 to 3. And yes, I know, choose the correct weight class. I know, I will weigh it when I get back in the house with my scale. But I'm going with 1 to 3. Now, I have found also that FedEx is a little cheaper than the U.S. Postal Service on a lot of things. So I like to go with FedEx. And then I just drop it off at the Office Depot near me. So shipping these are going to cost me the seller, $6.50 because I'm offering free shipping. So down here I have to set my price. It tells me the selling fee is 10%, and I'm going to give the seller free shipping, so I've got to take that into account. So if I decide to sell these for $10, I'm only going to make $2.50. I mean, it's $2.50 I didn't have, but it's not worth my time. These are in great shape. They retail new for $35. And people can make offers in Mercari, and I want to leave a little room to accept any offers I might get. So I'm going to price them a little high. I'm going to price them at $28, which I know seems a little scary. It's a little off-putting at a yard sale. Maybe you wouldn't pay that. But they are in like new condition, and people expect good quality, and they don't mind paying a higher price. So if this sells, I'm going to make $18.70 on my bowls. Most likely someone will give me an offer and I will accept it. So I'll make a little less. So now all I have to do is list it. Ta-da! My listing has been posted. I can look at it. And there is my listing. That's how easy it was. I could have done it even quicker, but I was talking to you guys. In fact, I've got some more Tupperware I'm fixing to list, and I've got some clothes I'm going to list. So that's this part. Oh, let me go ahead and talk about these two buttons down here, the promote and the edit. Edit is where oops, I typed something wrong. Promote drops your price automatically. And anybody who has liked the item will get a notification that you dropped the price, and it makes them more likely to buy it. Now, obviously, I'm not going to promote it right now. I just listed it and nobody's seen it. But you can do this and then do it again every 3 days. That's the other reason you want to list it a little bit higher, so that you have room to promote it. So if you thought that was useful and you're fixing to sell something on Mercari for the first time and you want to make a little jack, I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. Really, really would love it if you would subscribe, because I post videos about thrifting, selling on Mercari, shopping, but I also do a lot of nutrition. I do a lot of fitness. I do kind of random things. In fact, my blog is called Doodle Turtle's Random Thoughts, because I just YouTube and blog about what floats my boat. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.